Good day, viewers at home. This is Pythagoras Rule. This rule or theorem is usually applied when looking for the length of any side in a right angle triangle. We all know the right angle triangle. It's a kind of triangle in which one of its angles is 90 degrees. So when you have a right angle triangle and you are asked to find any of its lengths, provided that you are given the two other lengths, you use Pythagoras rule. And Pythagoras rule simply states that the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the two other sides. Which one is the hypotenuse? Wherever your angle 90 is, the side that faces angle 90 is your hypotenuse. And it is always the longest side in a right angle triangle. If you look at this triangle now, this side is longer than these two. So this is our hypotenuse. It can come in any form. We have another one in this form. This is angle 90. This is the side facing angle 90. So this is our hypotenuse. Then we also have another right angle triangle here. This is angle 90 degree. The side facing the angle 90 degree is the hypotenuse. So it is usually the longest side. So Pythagoras rule now says the sum of the square of this side is, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of these other two sides. That means c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared. So this is the rule that we will be applying whenever we are given a right angle triangle in which all the sides are not given completely. Let's take for instance, if I have a right angle triangle like this, let's say this place is 5 centimeters. Here is x, this is my angle 90, and this place is 4 centimeters. So for me to get the value of x, if you look at this triangle, this is our angle 90. The side facing angle 90 is the hypotenuse. So that means the sum of the squares of these two sides will give me the square of this side. So that means x squared plus 4 squared is equal to 5 squared. Meaning x squared plus 4 squared is 16. 5 squared is 25. My x squared will now be 25 minus 16. X squared equals 9. So that means x equals square root of 9. That is, if I take square root of both sides, square root of x squared will be x. Square root of 9 will be 3. So that means this side is 3 centimeters. So this is how to apply Pythagoras rule to find any length of any of the sides of a right angled triangle. Thank you.